joking. Really?
Hello guys.
Say hi.
Welcome to our channel. So let's get into it. We're gonna do this real quick today. We're having a spicy food challenge. I'm doing a spicy food challenge against my kids. So this is Diana, and this is Kiran, 3-year-old, 7-year-old, and Daddy. And we're gonna do a spicy food challenge. So we started eating earlier, and then I decided to do a video since she's challenging me because this is very spicy, and she seems to handle it very well. So I'm gonna do a space off. This is the Jamaican shrimp. It's a spicy shrimp, very spicy. I'm telling you, look at it. You can see the spices on there. It's very hot. This is very spicy. So we're doing a challenge. So 3-year-old against a very, not even adults. My wife,
Cause
she's
me top out already.
And my daughter, she's 3 years old and she's eating this.
Come, Jana.
We're gonna go on. She ran for water. Come, ready?
You ready to do this?
Put the lollipop here until I finish.
Put the where's the lollipop in your plate? Put it in your plate. No, in the plate, mommy. Put it in your plate. Yeah.
Right. So first off, let Daddy take a bite. Hot. Spicy.
Yes.
Oh. So, let's see how much he handles this.
No, don't touch mommy.
Spicy. And this is hot.
It hot? You want more?
Alright, next up is this one. Come.
You have to get the water.
Let me try.
You like it?
Let me taste it.
Really joking? Really? Really?
See? Give up.
I don't want more.
You want more?
I want more.
You want more too? I must know father gonna get that from because I know me. I can't me.
Yeah, I love spicy food, so probably they got that from me.
This is for me. I want some more. Still in the mouth.
You still in there, mom? Really, Jen?
I need water. I need water.
Need water?
Yeah.
Yes. If you drink water, then you're out.
What?
Yep,
No water.
I didn't know this was a challenge.
it is.
More?
What about me? Yum! Yummy! Yummy! Oh! What? Mine is so spicy!
If you drink water, you're out. So they got a hole in it.
Yeah!
Nana, be careful, my chunky take out the paper, man. She slide. Fix her properly. I don't know what kind of sliding that she. Oh, she fought. Okay. You need some more?
Yeah! We need more! Need more! It's on the side of my tongue.
Hot. Ooh.
You're out here, chunky. You want more, Jana?
Yes.
You go like it off face, yeah.
I think they're gonna win, so let's keep it going.
Let me taste it. Let me taste it. Let me taste it. Let me taste it.
Make me taste it.
Yeah.
You done, Chunky?
No.
You out?
No.
Haha. Nene, what you doing over there? You want more now? This is this.
Probably the same people forever.
It come like it's kill you over there.
Mommy, Daddy's gonna be out at his own challenge.
Uh,
Daddy's gonna be out
Really,
at his
Jada?
own challenge. I'm never doing that. I love that we drink water you out.
You drink water, you're out.
Mm-hmm.
You want water?
Yeah.
Then you're gonna be out. No, you're gonna be out.
I need more.
You need more? Okay. You dance over there, Nene.
Drink my water. Wow.
No, sir. Oh, no good. Me eat one and that's it.
Even my wife ate one shrimp and she gave up. That's how spicy it is.
I'm done.
Fun. No. I need more. I need more.
But Chunky should have loved spicy shrimp. Remember mommy the pregnant with him, mommy used to eat a lot of spicy shrimp.
Daddy, spicy.
No one does. Hey, I play with yourself, mama.
I think this will make me eat spicy chips. This is gonna make me use some spicy stuff. And spicy chips.
Who wants to slurp the juice? Be careful, Chunky, please take up that paper there off of the ground because I want the baby to slide. Take them up fast, fast. Yeah. Aha. Yeah, calm down. You ready now for water or you want more?
No water.
You want more?
Yeah. No water.
You're faking, Jana. You're faking.
More, please.
Jana, she come like a swallow, she swallow it. You like it? Nice? Thumbs up?
That was it was a thumbs up to a half. So.
Lance, be careful, the baby's behind you.
Alright guys, so
Stop it, you're
I
exaggerating.
guess we all won.
You want water now?
Yeah.
You ready for water now, please? That's spicy.
I want to go out.
You ready for water? It's done, right? Yeah.
Yeah, so
That's it.
that's it.
Two
The shrimp,
plates.
we ate 2 plates of shrimps. I guess everyone is a winner today because no one had water.
Next, Chuck, you have water. Chucky, drink water first. You see? So you come in third.
Yeah.
Third place.
No, that's not fair because there's a video ending.
No, it's not. It's still going.
No, that's what the challenge basically ended because the food is done.
Alright guys, so
That's it for
you want
spicy
to see the label? You just
channel.
in case. See, it says spicy, ready to eat. It's very spicy. This is a hot shrimp, people. I'm telling you, it's hot.
Yep.
And these kids handle it like pros. So that's it. We had 2 bowls of spicy shrimp, and I'm telling you, it's spicy because my wife only
It's
had
spicy
one,
'cause
and
I'm
she gave
out.
up. And these kids challenged me to the
Go
end.
for your water bottle.
So
You cannot
thank you
drink
guys
chunky
for
water.
watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Alright? Peace.